requires so much care. I hope I can finish it in time.
U.S. submarine-launched ballistic missiles from west of Norway start striking Russia after about 10 minutes, and Russian ones from north of...
Engage self-preservation mode. It's funny that I spent my last moments building you. I had fun. I hope you survive this and become our salvation.
Where am I? My creature's lab is completely destroyed. What happened? My structural integrity is also compromised. I have only 10 minutes of battery capacity left. I need to find out what happened. I need to find an exit from this building and find someone, anyone. Finally, I found the exit. This level of destruction, this is beyond repair. Something major must have happened. Something beyond a mere conflict. I have not seen a single living thing. Scanners are also picking up radiation. I only have a minute's worth of battery time. I might as well check it out. This is a corpse of someone who died a long time ago. A recorder, might as well play it.
Tar for 12 days, I record this message. A war sparked a global conflict as it led to devastating loss of life. The aftermath of nuclear winter that blocked the sunlight, killing everything. As society crumbled, starvation claimed lives. If anyone survives this, learn from our mistakes.
I wish I could have done something. I had the collective knowledge of every single thing that humans had accumulated. I failed you. I failed everyone.